Okay, so the next section on the body on the script of LLM is defining the various commands that would be or prompts that would be given by the user and would be responded by the bot. So it this the body would be the div class container and button and input type. So div class equals like chat box, and id is chat box. Then input is div input is in the body section text, and then the div uh, button on click equals send message button. So this is the div section. This is the div section, and then is the script section. In the script, the various prompts that is given command for are the input field chat box, and user text. So script async function send message, async function send message. Then the input field is equal to get like document dot get element by within curly brackets message, uh, user message. And next is the chat box is document dot get element by chat box, uh, within double quotes, within the curve brackets. And then the reply is, or let user text equals respond field dot value dot trim, curve brackets closed semicolon. So basically in the script, in this body, the div has to be defined for the class, that is chatbot. The user input field is or input field is text, and button type is on click. These are the div sections. And in the script section, the various prompts um, that are user input is document dot get element by, within curve brackets, within single quotes, it is user message. Then next command is the input input field, which is equal to uh, which is equal to input the input field was document input user input, document dot get element id by uh, user input. And the next third line was the user text is equal to input field dot value dot trim, that gives the message. And the uh, between the user input between the input field and the user text, there is chatbot is document dot chatbox is document dot get element by id, chat hyphen box, within curve brackets closed. So These are the three commands in the script section on the user side. The user input field, uh, which is first is input field from offered to the users, then the chat box, and then the user text. Okay, and then if then next line is the execution. If user text equals double equal within curve bracket outside of if is equal return, I mean within double quotes blank, after bracket return semicolon, then the let user message uh, let let the user message is equals to within arrow bracket div within arrow bracket in the same line strong, within arrow bracket within the same line is u colon, and within arrow bracket same line is a strong backslash is strong, and uh, within same line after strong dollar within curve bracket within curve bracket, it is uh, user input dot user text, and curve bracket closed, and within same line the div. So this backslash div, so this defines the user message. Basically the first one is input in the script section. The first comes the user for the user input field, then chat box, and the user text. And if user the if statement, if a statement is user text equals within double quotes return uh, return semicolon, then it goes to user message, it goes to user message, it goes to it goes to the user message, and it goes to then chat box dot inner html. Inner html is the user message plus equals user message semicolon, user message, and user message, and then input field equals that is the return of the script commands. Input field equals the input field equals the user message has been defined within the div, and this div is different to the chat, it's different to the class, it's different to the user input button type, that is on click. Input type is text.